Hi guys, so today we're going to be going over Furnace Lair, and if you arrived here on the In the Tall Grass main story quest line, first order of business is going to be going downstairs, where you'll run into the Shadowhound boss. I don't want to spoil anything, but he is a pretty cool boss fight. And down he goes. Now the first thing you'll notice when you come back out of the lair is there's going to be a weapon crate immediately next to the summoning altar. Next, in the southern side of the city, next to the large train yard, you're going to see one of these dimensional rifts on top of the train station. And we've done these little puzzles before. You just run through and collect the chain, and it will reveal at the end another gear crate. Lastly, this time on the same building, on the interior, you're going to find two more crates, one little jump puzzle inside here, and you got a gear crate hiding. And other than that, up higher on the second floor, that's where you're going to find the mystical crate. Right here at the end of the platform. And that covers Furnace Lair. Happy hunting.